So it's so close. I think we got more room to the downside on AVGO. Just don't know. Getting some buyers coming in. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can push a little bit here. The upside. We got out of AVGO. Gonna get out of BE here. Break even.
Think about AI long.
AI, yeah. AI yesterday was super strong. Yeah, it looks long. Wow. Good job. And it's going against the market too, so that's a good one. That is a good one. For sure.
Another one that keep going up is TDOC.
TDOC. Okay, let's take a look. TDOC. TDOC. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh. Yeah. That's a good one for sure. Looks like they're trying to push in the buyers here at the lows on Tesla and stuff like that. So maybe it's going to go up now. Maybe the market's going to bounce here a little bit. Might be an interesting way to take, that the stock PATH path.
Yeah.
Triggered a level 1 now on the upside. I think it could bounce with the market if the market decides to bounce. I'm looking at AVGO, it's bouncing right now. I think AVGO is going to come back up to test the VWAP here. So I'm going to take it long level 1 on the 2 minute, and then I'll get out and take it short again. And I'm hoping we get a little bit of bounce here on AVGO back up to that VWAP there. That'd be nice. Oh gosh, accidentally messed up on that one. This is going lower. Yeah, I think AVGO is going lower. Tesla looks like it's going lower too. Jeez. Come on. There we go. I think NVIDIA's going lower here too. Level 1 right here on NVIDIA is going to trigger. Yeah, it looks like net level 1. Tesla's going down. Yeah, here we go. Whole market's going down right now.
Intel could be short.
Oh, yeah. Let's see, INTC. Oh, yeah, you're right. Intel looks great for a short. It looks really good. It's right at the low. It's got a break. Come on. Here we go. There we go. Come on. There it goes. There it goes. Oh my gosh, NVIDIA is so almost there. Intel looks great. Looks for lower. Path looks good. PATH looks good for lower. It's going to break the lows here.
Yeah.
Here we go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Market is freaking out. They're freaking out.
Oh, IBM. Damn, listen.
There we go. Okay, here comes AVGO to the downside. We're going to get a nice little 3-bar play here. Come on. Oh my gosh, NVIDIA. Here it comes. It's going to break the low yesterday. AVGO setting up a nice level 2 here. Here comes the crack. Oh, you freaking kidding me?
What's today? Friday?
Yeah.
Oh no, one of the things are moving the way it is.
All right, here comes Path, PATH. I think it's going to break the low here. Come on. Come on, AVGO. Come on. Looks great. Come on, AVGO. Don't bail on me now. AVGO's heading to the 200 period moving average today.
BE trigger level 1.
Oh, yeah, you're right. BE did trigger level 1. Okay, that's good. And it'll trigger level 2 soon, I think. Okay, INTC, looking better. There you go. BE just triggered level 2. NVIDIA right at the lows. Is it going to break? I think NVIDIA is going to crack underneath the lows here. Come on. B looks great. Going to add to that. Path looks good for more downside. PATH. Just gotta keep going. Come on, NVIDIA. It's time to break that pivot today.
Okay, how far can...
So close. It's so close. Like, you can almost sense the imminent death of it. Same with AVGO. You can almost sense the imminent death underneath here. See the amount of tries that's been going up? Trying.
Yeah.
It's not having luck. The only one that's kind of bouncing, I noticed, is MBLY. And that's because it's pretty sold off from yesterday. So it makes sense that today is having a hard time. But these other ones, I think, are unfortunately there's so much selling pressure that I think the market is going to drop and carry NVIDIA with it. Come on, AVGO. There you go. Come on. You know better.
Intel
there we go.
Yep, Intel triggering in.
Yeah.
Same go with NVIDIA.
Yes.
You think gonna break that daily pivot?
NVIDIA, yeah. I think that's the plan today. I think that's the plan. There we go. Come on, NVIDIA.
Go, market go.
I know. This is great. When this kind of stuff happens, it makes it really easy to trade, doesn't it? You see the direction, and it just, when things trigger, they work. It's like, what the heck? Why can't it be like that all the time?
Should we go into IBN?
How many bars down?
6.
6 bars down already?
Yeah.
No, don't do it.
Like, oh,
that's too many bars.
Why did you enter? Well, I missed the entry, so I'm like, by the time I spotted, I'm like, it's too late.
Yeah.
I feel like BE not gonna go much because of
yeah, I was thinking that too. Yeah, that it just broke the pivot. Probably gonna reduce my share size around here.
That's what I'm thinking also.
Yeah, I'm thinking things are gonna be a little funky. Probably reduce some shares. Very slow, the platform. I think even AVGO might bounce right here too.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm reducing some of the shares on things because yes, we broke things, but at the same time, like, you know, how many bars down are we on INTC now? Red bars.
Yeah.
So I think we could get a pullback. Yeah, there comes the pullback. That doesn't mean, though, that we can't find another entry on these things. I just think that they're not going to keep going down. I think AVGO is going to come back, retest the VWAP.
Yeah.
I think that's the plan. They're going to bring it back up to the VWAP, and then we can get a nice short there.
Hmm.
I think if the market wasn't dropping like as hard as it was in the morning, I think AVGO probably would have done the VWAP test earlier.
Hmm.
But because it didn't get a chance, now it's going to get a little bit better of a chance.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at that. NVIDIA, a little doji bar right here. Let's see here.
Wanna do a knife catch on Nova?
Nova, okay, let me see. NOVA. Oh, wow. I don't know, man. I mean, that's an inside day, so I definitely think you could find some sort of buyers from yesterday. But remember what happened yesterday? Remember what happened that one time on MBLY? It was an inside day. It was going up, and it just kept going up forever. Or sorry, what was it? LUMN.
Hmm. Ooh, Intel.
I guess just
Intel still dropping.
yeah,
I like it.
yeah. This is looking good.
Let's see how far can I go.
I don't know. I think, well, you know, actually, we're almost there. We're almost at the pivot. Look at the daily. It's 118.84. So that's the low of that pivot. I think that's where it's probably heading to.
Yeah, Nova keep going, huh? Without me.
Which one?
Nova.
Oh, Nova? Okay.
I keep watching it dropping and dropping. I'm just too afraid to enter.
Yeah. Let's see. Nova. Yeah. Could have Al Brooks found that, but that's hard. Oh, there goes the AVGO back up. I was good on getting out right at that 2 minute. So I think, yeah, I think the market's going to bounce a little bit here. Give us a little bit of a challenge. So I'm going to wait for AVGO to get back up to that VWAP so I can short it. I did a long on PATH yesterday, PATH, in the pre-market. So I mean post-market, and I had a really nice move, and I was up like pretty good on my shares, and then in the morning I saw that it was underneath the 8, the 20, and the VWAP.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, I'm getting out of this trade. So I got out right in the morning, and look what happened. It dumped. So there you go. I mean, you know, oh, wow, AVGO could have taken that long, too. Look at that. Massive. Shaking out all the shorts. Okay, all the shorts are getting shaken out right now. I have a feeling PATH might do a PATH, might do a shot gap. I mean, it's a gap up, and you see how it's giving back the whole entire gap right now? PATH. That one is going down still. That's crazy. It might even go all the way underneath yesterday's low. Oh, all right, nice. PATH is working for me. Okay, AVGO back at the VWAP. So let's see if we get a nice little, rejection here. That one was a really good short yesterday in pre-market. If you had done it off of a level 1, it worked like a charm. It kept going. It kept going.
I think BE might keep going down.
Yeah, possibly. I mean, yeah. I mean, when it rains, it pours, so the whole market's dropping right now.
Yeah.
And I think,
That's a source in AVGO or what?
you could. Yeah, you could. You just put your stop above 140.
Spicy.
I'm going to wait for this. I want to see some doji bar or something. I have a feeling you can special sauce it. You'll probably be fine. Over like 140, over 141, I think you'd totally be fine. But I think by waiting for the price action to give me some like jerkiness back and forth and then make a level 1, I think I'm going to have a little bit better. Because I think it'll pop up. I think it'll do a double top here before going low. Looks like Tesla, the buyers on Tesla are trying to come in right here. Same with NVIDIA. This might just be a breakout failure and then right back up. It did break both levels. Do you see that? So NVIDIA broke both levels and didn't hold and is coming back up. So it doesn't mean it's over to the downside, but it definitely doesn't look good for the sellers right here. As if anybody sold at very low, they're now like, oh wow, it's going against me. But it can still work. And you see AVGO back up?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I think the 2-minute is gonna get above the 20 right here. It's gonna go sideways for a bit, and then I'm gonna wait for that. I'm gonna wait for the multiple time frame alignment. So basically, I'm gonna wait for the 2-minute to get back underneath the 20 period moving average before I try to short the 5-minute 20 period moving average. I'm working on this right now. I've been looking at a lot of the trades that fail on me.
Yeah.
And it's usually because the 2-minute time frame, if I'm shorting the 5-minute, the 2-minute time frame is clearly uptrending.
Yeah.
And I have to wait for it to, put in a top or something. Oh, nice. Path. PATH. Still going down. Wow. I think target on Path is going to be $12.38. It's a shock gap. Total shock gap. Oh, wow. There we go. Putting in the wide range bar though. So I'm just moving my stop now to break even on Path. I'm up about 5 hours, so I feel like right now I'm being very careful on everything I do because I don't want to give back.
Very nice.
On a Friday,
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm up 2 hours at the moment.
Nice.
Oh, AVGO could be a level 1 short.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that 5-minute bar. I'm going with smaller shares to begin with, and then add. But look at the 2-minute. I think they're trying to bring it over the top here. Yeah. See, you and me, we wait for level 1, but there are people that are anticipators, and they will short AVGO, and you start getting all these shorts piling into AVGO, and the market makers are like, oh, you guys want to jump in short? Okay, well, we all know where your stop is. Your stop is just above this wick, right? Where all you guys shorted from. So because your stop's above the wick, we're going to take it right above your stop. You guys are going to stop out, push the stop a little higher, and we're going to get the price higher and actually give you and actually finally let go of the stop of trying to push the stock higher. And then you finally get that move, and it's like, oh my gosh, like what? Yeah, so either you go in small. Oh, Tesla just triggered level 2.
Yeah, Intel is coming back down also.
Nice, the Intel level. Okay, Intel, we're almost at that pivot there. Come on, Tesla, keep going. This might be the breakdown failure. We'll see. This could be the low for Tesla. Come on. Okay, AVGO looking better. There goes Tesla. Come on, Tesla. Okay, AVGO triggered on a 2-minute. I think it's going to chop around for a bit, but it's going. NVIDIA has a level 1 right here. Not too bad. I would wait for a level 2 though for NVIDIA underneath that. That'd be pretty good. Okay, come on, Tesla, keep going, buddy. I want to see Tesla get down all the way down to yesterday's close. 2 days ago's close. Okay, AVGO triggered. All right, I'm in AVGO, and Tesla, and Path. I'm out of INTC here, and that big spike in volume. Path, I'm moving my stop loss down. Like I said, I think AVGO is going to be choppy. So I went in with super small shares. Said I could take 8 shares for this level 1. I took 2. So I'm going to add to it, and build the position. Okay, Tesla, I'm going to probably exit soon. Still going 1 minute bar by bar, or 2 minute bar by bar. Looks good. Yeah, I think AVGO is going back up to the 20, believe it or not. So I think that's where it's going. We'll see. I'll probably just get out here. Give it one more chance. Tesla looking better and better. Wow. I'm going to do a scalp on Tesla to the long side, believe it or not. I'm waiting for basically for it to get really, really extended into support here. Probably, I'm thinking about 219 would be a good place. What the heck? Why is the platform so slow? So slow. Yeah, so I got out of AVGO, luckily. Look at that. There you go. That's why I figured go small. Because it wasn't the best pullback. Oh, another thing. Think about AVGO. How many bars did it take to get all the way up to VWAP? It took basically one and a half bars. So it's a strong pullback, right? Strong pullbacks. So if you have a strong pullback, that usually it's not a good idea to short the first level 1 because it already told you that it was so strong.
Yeah, I jumped back into BE.
Oh, BE. Okay, let me take a look. BE. Okay, I see that level 1 right there. Very shallow, but up at the 8, so it looks good. I'm almost going to get out of path soon. PATH. I've been in this path since that level 1. I don't know if you can see it. PATH.
Yeah,
level 1 right up there.
Uh-huh.
And then I added to it as a level 2 here.
Nice.
And I haven't taken a partial yet. So I'm just moving my stop loss 2-minute bar by bar. So this is the one that's giving me the most bang for my buck. Tesla's pretty good.
Yes.
And then AVGO was pretty good in the morning. I shorted that level 2, I think, that I had in the pre-market. Oh, I think Tesla's going to bounce here, unfortunately. I wanted to catch it a little later to long. Okay, AVGO looks better. I like that I had a breakout. AVGO that had a breakout failure.
Yeah.
So this could now, let's wait for a level 1 here. We could short after the breakout failure. Especially if the 20 catches up. Ooh, that would be nice. What's the temperature where you're at?
I think like, let's see, well, right now it's 68, but I think it went up to like around, I didn't check, but around 90 or something.
Yeah, mine got, yesterday was 112.
Whoa.
Yeah, 112 here, and today it's going to be 110. It's like, it's so hot that you just, even at night, I went to go take my dog for a walk. It was 98 degrees at like...
But you have a pool, Jason.
I do, yeah. But it's still hot. Like, it's not like you want to sit your whole day in a pool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You know? Like,
I know.
and my air conditioning was working so hard, and it could not defeat, it could not beat the freaking, the heat. Like, my pool, my air conditioner was on, and it said it was 85 degrees in the house, even with the air conditioner pumping at full blast. Because,
Wow.
112 degrees is so hard for this air conditioners to work.
Yeah. BE fell on me.
Yeah, shallow pullbacks, man.
Yeah.
Shallow pullbacks, they're tricky. Whereas, like, you want something that pulls back to either the VWAP or the 20, and you want or if it can pull back to the 8, that's fine, but at least like 3 bars up. Oh, I don't think the BE short was that bad. I just think that if you look at where you were shorting, look at the daily chart and see how we're at that pivot.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at path. It's still going, guys.
Yeah, still going.
This is something you want to grab and take a picture. This is a shot gap. That's exactly what you want to see. The stock gap over all that pivot. Everybody thinks like, oh my gosh, wow. And then you short it as it comes down because you're thinking maybe it'll fill the gap. But then when it fills the gap, instead of bouncing, it demolishes everybody and keeps going. And now basically right around here is where it basically finds support, usually right at the lows, because this is where everybody stops out, right? See, everybody that was long on the trade are stopping out now. So you get the flush, and then after they stop out, that's when you finally have no more buyers. So then
Yeah.
it comes back up. NVIDIA looks like a level 1 right here. It's not too bad. I took it. I took the level 1 on NVIDIA. Very small shares.
No. Short?
Yeah. And I like this AVGO here. It's looking better. Path, there we go. A little bit lower. Go check on my dog. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hey, sweetie. You have a good sleep? Yeah. You a good doggy? You a good doggy, huh? All right. AVGO's working.
AVGO is kind
Let's
of
see if we can get through that 8-period moving average below, or does it bounce? We have to sit through some stupid nonsense.
Yeah.
My guess is we probably bounce right here. Oh my gosh, path is still going, guys. What the heck? Even look at the 2-minute bar by bar. It's not even getting, no reason to get out. This is crazy. This is my best trade.
I know. Keep going down ball by ball.
Yeah, and the thing is that because I'm doing a 2-minute bar by bar, it's like amazing. It's still going. Yeah, I think NVIDIA's gonna fail. I think unfortunately, I thought NVIDIA was gonna do a level 2 today to the downside and then keep going.
Yeah.
But I think that level 2 might have been a fake out.
Yeah.
And if that's the case, then I think we're probably going to be doing just like an inside day again on NVIDIA, just chopping around. Come on, I want to see AVGO keep going, but it's a tough one. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if we create a channel right here on AVGO for a while. Yeah, I think I'm going to get out.
You guys see GWRE?
GWA? No.
GWRE.
GWRE. GWRE. Greery or whatever. Oh yeah, I see a nice gap holding its base right here.
No, it dropped from the top. You see, almost 10 bucks.
Yeah. You could take it short underneath the 20, but I think it's more of it looks like it's holding strong and it wants to go higher. Maybe the only reason why it's going down is pretty much the whole market's going down. Oh, wow. Okay, great. AVGO is going for me. Okay, come on. Same as NVIDIA. Okay, maybe we do have more downside then.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Sad to say, I just got out of PATH, P-A-T-H.
Oh,
I
wow.
anticipated a 2-minute new high. I thought it was going to do it, so I'm all out of that trade now. But let's see if that was a good anticipation or if that was not smart. Interesting. Market just threw in a gigantic red bar. That might be the bottom. The market. Oh, okay. Here's a secondary signal on MBLY. If you missed the first level one, here's the secondary entry. Okay. AVGO, doing better than I thought. I thought I was going to have to get out.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Path is still going without me. Look at guys. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, why?
Well, I got out because I thought here's the 23 moving average is right there. Actually, I'm gonna get ready to get out on AVGO. Yeah. Ah, getting out. There we go. AVGO got out. Moving my stop loss on Nvidia a little lower on the short. I thought we were gonna bounce right here because we're at the 20 on the daily.
Yeah.
And I see all this support to the left. And then I also thought, how many more red bars can it go? I guess more.
Look at INTC. Keep going still.
I know, nice. If you're still in that, that's really good. I got out a little while ago.
I'm still in it, and
wow, awesome.
I don't think I want to add to it.
No, I think it's smart not to, because look, you're right at that pivot, 1884. That's the that pivot. Yeah. So be careful. I see. It's funny. I watched this guy from SMB Capital or whatever, and he like puts like 500 trend lines on his stock, like diagonal trend lines. You know, like okay, this is the uptrend and this is the downtrend, and they're all conflicting with each other and all this shit. And I'm like, oh my god, what the heck? And then he goes, and it's always hindsight. They always basically point to like something happening off of a trend line that they drew already. I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's already happened. So it's never like, oh, look at how, I'm going to take it long off of this trend line. It's always like the trend line they drew after the fact. So it's not to me, that's not real. You can't be like, oh, that trend line worked. No, you drew the trend line.
Yeah.
It didn't exist until you drew it. So
those trend lines are all hindsight. You can't
totally
base it. I mean.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I think it's such bullcrap. It's like I like the idea of just horizontal lines.
Yeah.
It's just like if something breaks, then it breaks, and if it goes higher and it breaks higher, it breaks higher. Like there's no hindsight about that. It's like you know where the area of support was, and you drew a line, and if it cracks that area, you do something, and if it doesn't, don't do anything. And that's why I also like the idea of doing like new low failures and new high failures, because I like the idea of something cracking a line, but then not continuing, and then you basically capitalize on that, that non-continuation by doing the opposite. Yeah. But yeah, it's just funny these guys and how they're so into like themselves of being like really good traders. Like this guy is like always like, oh yeah, look at my trend lines. And he was pointing out Tesla, and he was like, yesterday he put something on the trend lines. He's like, well, it looks like my trend lines are right. Tesla's going higher now. And then today, look what's going on. So it's just funny how like someone yesterday will say like, look at Tesla's going higher. Or like I see people putting trend lines on Nvidia, they're doing a trend line from 9, from the low, and then they were doing this diagonal line up to yesterday's 2 days ago. So they're like, yep, Nvidia's going higher from here. And I'm like, what? Why? Just because it hits a magical trend line? And then I love that it's breaking now, because it's basically just proving everybody that they don't know anything,
Okay, I got out of everything. I was up to all, and then I'm down to all, and now I'm back up to almost to all. So I'm like, I think I'm gonna start the day.
Well, Nvidia's going lower.
I know.
Nvidia just triggered a level. I was in it from the level 1. I just got out now. Can you believe it? But I think it looks good for lower. I just don't like the idea of taking a short after 1, 2, 3 bars into this low. Yeah. So I'm a little cautious. But I do think it looks lower. It broke that pivot. Okay, so if I had done 2-minute bar by bar, I would have gotten out just a second ago on path. right there. So it wasn't so bad of an exit. I mean, I missed out on like another 5-minute bar low.
Yeah, me being down 2 all earlier kind of like got me a little bit shaky.
Sure, yeah.